Hi everyone, Celeste is here and she's going to tell us how to do 9 times 7. So 9 groups of 7, Celeste?
So I would do
Or are you
9.
thinking about it as 9 groups of 7?
I do 5 and 2.
Oh, okay. So let's show them how you get that 5 and 2 then, okay? I'm going to pull out 9 groups of 7 and then you can show them where the 5 and the 2 is. So that's 2 groups. 7, 3, and 4. Make sure I get 9 out here. So that's 4, 5, 6. Oh, there's a lot of them here. 7,
8.
and we need 1 more, right? Okay, do we have 9 now, Celeste? 9 groups of 7, right? Can you count out loud? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Cool. I'll just move this one. Okay, now you said you're actually thinking about this in terms of 5 and 2, right? So you basically took this 7. So if we look at this 7, we split it into 2 and 5. So you split all of those 7s into 5 and 2, right? And to figure out 9 times 7, we just need to figure out how many of these dots we have up there. Okay, so you thought of it as 5 and 2, so there's like an invisible wall between these. So this is,
The 5s.
yep, so that's 9 times 5, and this is 9 groups of 2. So 9 times 2. So what's 9 times 5?
45.
Whoa, that was fast. And 9 times 2?
18.
Okay, so now we just have to go 45, because we'll take how many are here. So 45 plus 18. Now I want to show you something because I saw someone do something really, really clever. And what they did was they weren't sure what this was, but they split this, just like you split the 7, they split the 18 into 5 and 13.
Smart.
So check this out. So there's the 5 and then 13. So they went 45 plus 5, which is how much? So this plus 5, 50, and then 50 plus 13.
63.
Yeah. So 9 times 7 equals 63. That was awesome. Hi, amazing math learners. We've got 9 times 7, and Anna's going to show us how she did it. Anna, I've got 9 groups of 7 here. Let me show you. So here's 1 group of 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So I've got 9 groups of 7. To figure out 9 times 7, we have to figure out how many there are here in total.
I think what I'm going to do today is I'm going to say instead of 9 times 10, 9 times 7, I'm going to do 10 times 7.
Oh, okay. So you're going to actually, this was 9 groups of 7, but you're actually going to think about 10 groups of 7. So I'm going to add these orange ones in here. Okay. Now, how are you going to figure out how many are in total here?
Well, I kind of know that 10 times 7 equals 70.
Oh, okay. Yeah, because look, instead of thinking this way, you're going to think that way, right? So if we just
This
think...
is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70.
Okay, and let's show everyone. Like, if we just peel one of these columns off.
That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 inside of a column.
Okay, so you're going to go, instead of 9 times 7, you're going to figure out 10 times 7.
Mm-hmm.
But
we're 1 group off. So now I got a
these
minus.
ones, right?
Yeah, now I got a minus 7.
Are you minusing 7?
Yeah, minusing 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay, so minus 7. So all of these, that's 70, right?
Mm-hmm.
But we were only supposed to find the green ones to figure out 9 times 7.
Mm-hmm.
So when we take these away, how many are we left with?
We're left with 63.
Awesome. So 9 times 7 equals 63.
Yeah,
That was amazing, Anna.
thanks. Bye, everyone.